Today we're going to be making curry mango.
Today we used 5 long mangoes. They have already been chopped lengthways and pre-boiled with a little bit of salt for about 20 to 30 minutes to soften. So I just wanted to show you the grater that I've used. It's a fine hole grater that I use to grate all the herbs and aromatics like onion, garlic, pimento, shadow beni, etc. I've used this grater to bring out all the flavor more. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the seasonings that we've used. These were the quantities for this amount of mango used. Here I have 3 teaspoons or 1.5 tablespoons of grated onion. Here's 2 tablespoons of garlic grated fine and 1 tablespoon of shadow beni. That was grated as well. 1 teaspoon of pimento peppers. So 3 teaspoons of curry powder, regular curry powder. 1 teaspoon saffron or turmeric powder. Go ahead and heat a large cast iron pot on medium heat. So here we have 3 Potspoons of vegetable oil. So first we're going to go in with our Jeera. So some whole cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon.
Curry leaf for Carapoolay. 4 leaf for 5 leaves.
So we're going to go in with some 4 or 5 Carapoolay leaves. We broke it to get the aroma. And so we're frying on medium heat. Quarter teaspoon again, Mathi or Fenugreek. So we're going to fry till the Mathi just darkens in color. And then we're going to go in with our seasonings. Make sure you lower the heat before you add your finely grated seasonings or else they will burn.
So we go in with the onion. Garlic and pimento.
Remember to cook your seasonings on low heat. I'm cooking mine at about 3.5.
So let that fry a little bit. It's too strong because I think it's so hot. Go in with your saffron.
You always want to cook your saffron at the beginning in the oil, and this is so that it gets rid of that saffrony taste. The saffron also adds that nice yellow color to the curry mango.
Yeah, then you're making this mango yellow, right? And not dark in color. Sugar, that it is sugar. Curry.
You want a hand?
You have it.
So you just went in with the curry powder. I'm just going to add a little bit of water now to it.
Yes.
We are now going in with a little bit of water to create that slurry and to continue to cook the curry so it doesn't burn. You want the water to dry down. Remember, we're cooking anywhere between low to medium heat. We're just going to fry for a few more seconds to get all that nice curry flavor out. And once the sauce has thickened, now we're going to go in with our hot water next. I do not know why it wasn't recorded, but at this point we added some hot water and we brought it to a boil. Next, we're going in with some brown sugar. Here we used about 1 cup. The amount of sugar you use will depend on your sweetness level. If you like your mango mildly sweet or very sweet.
I'm going to put this amount of salt, but if it needs more salt, I will put more. I will put a teaspoon.
1 level tablespoon of salt. If it needs more, we're gonna add.
I'm going to put some.
And adjust.
So as you put board in here, you could taste for salt and sugar right there, and you get all the aromatic and everything, how it's going to taste and everything. Okay, we're not putting no black masala in that.
So you put a cup of water, but ideally it's supposed to be less. Like,
Yeah.
like
It could, no, a cup of water. It depends.
a cup, that's fine.
Depends on how much mango.
Oh,
This
okay.
look like one. Every mango it does get 6 pieces. So 4, 5, 6. Like 2 mango. 4, 1, 2, 6, 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have about 5 mango here, 5 long mango. So put your mango in there and let it boil with the sugar, the salt, and the aromatic, and let it take the seasoning in. When it dries down, it's done. We put a little bit of Jeera, and that's it.
So we added our garlic, or onion, garlic, pimento, and the shadow beni. Did the
shadow beni
in?
go in a little while. We put the shadow beni in.
Okay. So the last thing are the shadow beni and the brown Jeera.
Yeah. So now, so who cannot cook curry mango? This is the most easiest, the most simplest way.
So the difference with this and the amchar is just that you just use the amchar masala.
Yes. Yeah.
In addition to curry powder.
You could do some curry, and after the curry, like cook and everything in the pot, and when it comes to and you put water, you boil down, you could then throw some curry, some black masala and top here like that.
Oh, so the amchar doesn't go before?
No,
After.
most people don't just cook it. I don't. And if you don't want to see a mango whole like this, what you could do is just take a spoon and press on it. All you want it out.
No, I like it mash up.
You like it? Okay, so then you could press on it and let it
So the sauce will infuse.
let it go in. Yeah.
And so you're cooking this on what, low? Medium?
It's high for now to bring everything to a good boil, but we're going to lower it down in a while. Yeah, so we could lower it down now. So let it yeah.
That's good?
Yeah, that's good. Like medium.
Yeah.
So you can mash on the mango and let it infuse
So how long we cooking this for now?
until it dries down.
Until it dries down?
Right down, yeah.
Completely?
Completely.
Okay.
Completely dry down. The mango already cooked because we boiled it, but with the aromatic we want it to boil.
So do you add the shadow beni and the Jeera while you have liquid in the pot, or when it completely dries down?
When it near to completely dry down,
Oh.
not completely.
Okay, while it's cooking now with the liquid, now is the time to taste for salt and sugar. And if you feel, if you feel it needs more, you can always add now at this stage. It's been about less than 5 minutes, and as you can see, the water, everything is thickened up. Now we're gonna add our shadow beni and brown Jeera.
Which one am I shadow beni? This one. Shadow beni. So I don't look at this here.
Which was 1 tablespoon.
Yeah. And this is how it's going to be. Finish here. I'm going to just put in the Jeera.
That is like
Okay, a teaspoon.
1 full teaspoon.
One. Yeah. That's it. I guess I get a teaspoon, so I have to use this. And that is it. Take off the stove and turn it on. And there you have mango curry. Curry mango.
So there you have it, guys, a great and delicious curry mango recipe. Feel free to check out my many other Indian dishes and delicacies to go with this. You can see the links below, or I also have an Indian playlist that you can check out. So until next time, see you soon and happy cooking. Bye now.